Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show how to delete repository in your GitHub. So first of all, we are going to our browser, then click on GitHub sign in option. After that, we will select which repository we will delete. So I want to delete my repository name is part 1. Then simply click on setting option and scroll down and select the delete repository option. So I do that, and I want to delete this repository? Yes, I want to delete. Then simply click on this option and again and select the repository name. We need to type this repository name, but if you want to copy but it's not accepted in here, that's why I typing this repository name, which one I want to delete. After that, I give the password and confirm option. Click on this confirm option, and finally my repository are deleted. Then I check my home menu bar and my repository deleted or not, and yes, finally my repository deleted. That's all the presentations. Thank you.